last biogeochemical cycle that we need to talk about is the phosphorus cycle. And this is how phosphorus is recycled here on Earth and other environments. This is the only cycle that does not have an atmospheric component to it. So phosphorus is found either in the water or on land. We care about the phosphorus cycle because this is how we get phosphorus for DNA. Without DNA, there would be no life here on Earth. It is also used in bones, teeth, shells, and a variety of other molecules found within your body and the bodies of other organisms here on Earth. So the process begins with rocks that are exposed, whether it's a mountain or stones or gravel, and through precipitation from the water cycle, what happens is this weathers the rock and it washes the phosphates out of the rock and starts breaking them down. So these phosphates then end up either in the soil or in water sources. And once the phosphates are in the soil or water, plants are able to absorb those phosphates and turn them into compounds that we as animals or other life forms can then consume and get our phosphates from. We may also eat other animals to get our phosphates. And so when these organisms die, what ends up happening is you get detritus or waste in the soil, and it's these decomposers that then return the phosphates to the soil, and so they can either be used again, or if they end back up in a water system, what happens is they eventually wash to an ocean or a sea. And if it's already in the water, it's fine there. And what happens is these phosphates then, they start to precipitate. They come out of solution and they start to form new rocks on the bottom of these water, bodies of water. And so through volcanic uplifting or movement of tectonic plates, what ends up happening is these new rocks eventually get exposed back to the air again, where weathering can take place of them, and the whole cycle can start again. I hope this video helps you review for our test on Friday. Remember, we've got a paper and a project due on Wednesday, and there are extra credit questions that go with this available on Know Mia. Have a wonderful evening.